What's up, Hooligans? Moto Mike 805 here, coming at you from the garage. On, I think it was my last video, I said, where should I do this next one from? Because I'm most likely not going to be riding, because I'm still on isolation. And only one person responded and said the garage, so this is the garage. We got, here's my toolboxes, Harley manuals, chemicals. By the way, it's a complete mess out here. Here's Bumblebee. Jolene over here. We got my bikes out here. These bins are full of extra Harley parts. Here's the ones I'm going to do probably tomorrow. The Rolling Sands Clarity pieces. And then these bins are full of extra Harley parts, takeoffs, whatnot. Got my paint. Actually, this right here is Bumblebee. Good old shaker can paint job. And then oil, all that good stuff, filters. So what we're going to do today is we're going to do mail call. Got a mail call. Start off, what we got here? So this will be my second mail call video. The first one, it was a mail call. It was a contest I won from Father Bobber. So this is actually my first sticker swaps. And first one coming up here is, I should have put my glasses on. Here, I don't have my glasses on, but see if you can zoom in. Actually, probably shouldn't put the address. Actually, that's my P.O. box. It's not my address. So we'll open these up here. So first we'll see what the letter here says. So this one's from PSP Tommy G, and he put, "Hello Mike, I like your channel and your bike intro with the exhaust. Nice. Here's a swag package as promised. Enjoy your stickers and chips. Looking forward to seeing your stickers. Your videos are I can't talk. Your videos of the scenery while riding in California is awesome. We're planning on riding to Sturgis this year. How about you?" Probably not this year, but I really plan on it the following year. With work and stuff, I don't think I can squeeze it in this year, but it is coming up on my bucket list. Thanks again for the trade. Don't let your brass fall on the road, and see you in California. Be safe and COVID-19 free. PSP Tommy G. Rat-a-tat-tat. So that was cool. And let's see what stickers we got. Alright, this is super awesome. I really have to get some more stickers and poker chip. Check these out here. I'll take a picture too and probably post it on my Instagram page. Oh, this is a magnet. That is sweet. Man, I need magnets too. All I got's one sticker. People out there, you got magnets, multiple stickers, t-shirts. Oh, sweet. Got a couple poker chips here. See if you can check those out. By the way, my cameraman Colby is off of COVID isolation as of a few days ago. He's officially able to resume normal activities. I, however, am still on isolation until March 20th, which it is driving me crazy being stuck in the house and not going out for a ride. All right, next up, Ruckus Rides down in Florida, or I guess over in Florida since we're in California. So let's see here. Don't want to stab myself in the face with my knife. All right, so Ruckus Rides, thank you for being thank you for the awesome sticker swap. Your stickers will be a great addition to my collection. I hope you enjoy mine as well. Ride safe. Keep your feet on the pegs and your knees in the breeze. Best wishes, Ruckus Rides. Thanks, Ruckus Rides. And here's the stickers. That's pretty cool. I really got to work on something a little better. All right, and the final one. It's got the name on it, so let's see what the channel is. I won't read the name, I don't know. He wants his real name out there. Oh, I got a keychain. Man, keychains, poker chips, t-shirts, stickers. You like some big stickers too. Oh, these are kick ass. Guns and Gears. So those of you that have sent me the stickers in and haven't emailed me first and just sent them, I will get some back to you. I will. I've only got one sticker, but I'll send you out a couple. And look at this. This is awesome. Gunsandgears.com. Go check him out, which is nice. I do have a keychain for Bumblebee, but I don't have one for Jolene. So this is going to be Jolene's keychain. Thank you, Guns and Gears. That is a pretty cool sticker design. All right, so we also got stuff I ordered. This isn't exactly mail call. I guess it's mail call. This is what I'm going to be doing this weekend. I think it's the stuff I needed to get the Rolling Sands clarity pieces on. I think I need to sharpen my knife. It's like tearing stuff open. I used to slice it open really well. Yep. So I got the cam chest gasket, derby cover gasket, and that gasket for that shift cover back there. So we got the gaskets I need to go ahead and move forward this weekend. We'll get the clarity pieces on. Those pieces are used. I'm hoping they don't leak. I started reading online about people that use those covers, and a couple people have complained about them leaking. But I also found out there's a huge knockoff market for those. But in researching it, the knockoff ones, the screws that go through the Lexan and hold them onto the metal pieces, on the knockoff ones, they go all the way through the plates. So you can see the holes on the inside, take the screws out. It said on the real ones, the screws that hold the Lexan in don't go all the way through the plates. In other words, if you turn it around and looked at it, there's no holes for them. So those don't have them, and they actually, each piece has a hand engraved serial number on the inside. So I'm pretty sure those are legit, real Rolling Sands pieces. I hope so. So we'll do that probably tomorrow. I'm not going to do an install video because it's basically taking the cover off, putting a new gasket on, and putting it back on. There's nothing really technical to doing those. So we'll get that done tomorrow. I think that's it. Thanks a lot for the stickers that sent me out, and for those of you that didn't contact me ahead of time and sent me the stickers, I will get some stickers out to you. And I do plan on working on trying to get a poker chip made, and I'm still trying to do a logo. Also still thinking about trying to do a giveaway, but I haven't thought about what to give away yet. Give me some ideas if you have some out there. Put them in the comments down below. Thanks. Remember, ride like everyone's a hired assassin trying to kill you. Ride safe, you hooligans. Peace.